Hi, it's Steve the Nortel Guy. We're going to do a programming of time change, and this is a great one to start with. As a technician, I get this request probably more than any other request. Okay, we're using either a 7324 or we're using a 7310. This phone that you're seeing in the video just happens to be a 7324. If you're not sure what those are, look at the other part of my blog where I talk about identifying the different types of Norstar sets you need to do programming. Alright, if you have a fairly newer version of the software, there's a very simple command to change the time, and it is feature ** TIME. And the password is probably going to be config if it hasn't been changed, and that's 266344. Now what we see in the screen is the word hour, and then whatever the current hour is. Your two choices are change or next. If the hour is fine, you can hit next. In this particular case, I'm going to change the time. I'm going to change it to, since it's 9 o'clock in the morning, I'm going to change it to 09 as the hour. It's asking, is that AM or PM? It's AM. Again, your choices are OK and change. AM is fine, so I'm going to say OK. OK. Then I'm going to hit next to go to the minutes. Minutes are 13. Well, it's not 9:13, it's 9:01. So I'm going to hit change that to 01. And then I'm going to hit next. And now I've got the date. The year is 09. That's fine. I'll leave that alone. Next. The month is 05. That's wrong. It's actually June, so I'm going to change that to 06. Okay, next is the day, and it's actually the 20th, not the 2nd, so I'm going to change that to, actually it's the 21st. And then next. And when it says end of list, it means you've gone through all the time change options. At this point, you can just simply hit release. It says end of session, and then it should display the new time as you've changed it. In another video, I will cover how to change the time on some of the older versions of the Norstar software.